Looking to add a convenient water source around your house? Our premium hose pipe connector kit is the answer. Complete with a wall flange, a 3/4 brass tap with click lock, and PTFE tape, this kit has everything you need for a seamless installation. Crafted from durable materials, this tap hose connector is built to last, making it perfect for garages, farms, gardens or allotments. Easy installation is key with our outdoor tap kit. Simply snap it on, secure it with the wall connector, and enjoy a reliable water source for your daily tasks. Practical and versatile, this hose pipe connector is a must-have for gardening, backyard use, around the house, farmhouse activities, and more.